Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apex to TradingView in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to understand that in TradingView, you can only connect the respected brokers and you can't actually connect the pro firms over here. So in this particular scenario, what you can do is you can simply come here on your apextradingfunding.com account. Over here, simply log in by providing your login credentials. When you get access to your dashboard, simply find your MT5 or C Trader credentials. Most probably, you must be using it on your MT5 account. So you can open a new tab, then you can search for MetaTrader 5. Over here, click on the option of either the web terminal or you can also download the MetaTrader 5 for Windows. So here, simply provide those credentials which you have got from your funding account from Apex. After providing this, your MT5 login will be successful. So when it does, you can use TradingView for analyzing the charts. You can either analyze the chart of gold or you can anytime click on this plus icon. Then you can go to futures, forex or cryptos and then you can launch any of the charts in front of you. After analyzing that particular chart, when you want to basically buy or sell, basically when you want to punch the orders, you can come here inside your MT5 account and then you can place the buy and the sell orders over here very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.